Right, good job. Don't forget to do your hands, too. Go around.
I'm done it. I can't do that.
Oh, you can do it like Taylor.
Taylor, I really can't do that. Mommy!
What?
Taylor's not being nice.
Really? Why?
She's mean.
I think you're being sassy.
No.
Yeah?
Shut up, Kate. Kate, move.
Katie, you gotta dance by yourself. There you go.
Look at my head, like a triangle.
Mhm. Good
My
job.
head is like a triangle.
Yep. You.
I like this one.
You're doing good. Oh.
I don't want to dance.
Are you done?
No, not yet. Okay. Can I try one?